lunchtime, y'all grabbing me,
Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, people be sleeping on white bread, man.
So Andrew take the end piece. Class.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab multiple slices out here for an assortment of seconds. You primate peasants. Everyone knows that the most tender pieces are towards the middle.
You guys have wheat bread instead?
Please subscribe. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get 4 free stocks. Minimum deposit required, $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only the way to go. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday, September the 27th. In today's video, I have 2 plays for you. 2 plays. Let's delve right into it. Dave's play today is a SP play, in and out. One and move, grab and go. This one is based out of China. PHCF. PHCF is up 89% in the pre at 462. The higher day thus far is 469. There's no news out. We just ride in price action. This one has very low volume, okay? Be careful with this one. Watch the volume to spike up today. If this one retracts below 404, this might be a no-go today, okay? Let's kick the tires. PHCF wears a market cap of 30 million, all right? They have 3 million in the float. 67% of the float are insiders. 1% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has a measly 0.01% of the float. PHCF. This one has a propensity to spike. Check out the historicals for February. Let's continue. Revenue, 2 million. 2 million in revenue. Gross profit, 2 million. Total cash, 1.38 million, okay? And they have a total debt of 2.86 million. Their current ratio is 1.12. This is PHCF. Dave's bonus play today is PALT. PALT. The stock is up 46% in the pre. Currently sitting at $5.90 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far is 638. Check out my Sunday stock list for the numbers. Also, I want you to put in stock today. BBIG. BBIG. Watch for any movements. They're already up 16% in the pre at 738. The higher day 780. BBIG. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter at @Duppyteeth for my stock alerts. Always remember to set a stop loss. Always remember to take some profits. Speaking of profits, I sold 1/3 of my holdings for CEI. I was up over 150%. Do not be greedy. Take some profits. Okay? I'll see you on the next one. Dave Natch. I'm out. Boom, bam. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. Take care of your downside. Let your upside take care of you. Success. I'm out. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. First one is PALT. PALT. The stock closed up 35% on Friday. Currently sitting at $4 and a penny. PALT. The stock opened up at $2.97, spiked as high as $4.15. That's a brand new. It's close to the 52-week high. Their 52-week high was $4.37. Watch for that to get impaled as early as tomorrow. PALT. There's no news out. This one is in the software space. PALT. Let's get the tires. First of all, a plethora of volume came into the stock on Friday. The volume on Friday was 4.7 million. 4.7 million. Compare and contrast to a measly 100K average. 100K average volume. Pay attention. Let's get the tires. PALT wear a market cap of 26 million. Their 200-day moving average is 3.05. Okay? They have 6 million in the float. 55% of the float are held by insiders. Let me say that again. 55% of the float are held by insiders. 5% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has a measly 0.44% of the float. Their profit margin is up 22%. Their operating margin is a positive 17%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 10.44%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 30.43%. This is PALT. Let's continue. They have 14 million in revenue. Their revenue per share is 1.96. Okay? Their quarterly revenue growth is up 1% year over year. Their gross profit is 10.26. Welcome back to Dave Newell's channel. Don't forget to hit that like. Please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day, or how tired my legs, or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest in the green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a friendly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, he complained, you do work very hard and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. So the ox took the advice of the ass, and the next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. Then, said the farmer, hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on. All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen. The ox began first. You are my good friend. Because of your wise advice, I have enjoyed a day of rest. And I, retorted the ass, am like many another simple-hearted one who starts to help a friend and ends up by doing his task for him. Hereafter you draw your own plow, for I did hear the master tell the slave, the butcher, were you sick again? I wish he would, for you are a lazy fellow. Thereafter they spoke to each other no more. This ended their friendship. Canst thou tell the moral to this tale, Rodin? 'Tis a good tale, responded Rodin, but I see not the moral. I thought not that you would, but it is there, and simple too. Just this. If you desire to help thy friend, do so in a way that will not bring thy friend's burdens upon thyself. I had not thought of that. It is a wise word. I wish not to assume the burdens of my sister's husband. But tell me,